Hi guys!
Welcome to Pokedoodle. What are we drawing today?
We're drawing Freddy!
For Five Nights at Freddy's. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to slow it down if you need to, and don't forget to
like and subscribe, comment down below, and give us a huge thumbs up.
see you in there.
Right guys, we're going to start with the hat.
Yep, so we're going to give him Freddy's top hat. So I'm going to start towards the top of the page, and it's going to go
doing a big
up,
Freddy.
right, and then we're going to curve it round just like that, and then it's going to come back down like that. And then we want to draw one line to collect it round. Lovely.
A really birthday.
Lovely hat. And then we're going to curl it round for the bottom bit of the hat, just like this. And it's going to curl round just like that for the brim. And now I'm going to draw a little bit of a gap, just like this, where it curls round, and then we're going to draw his ears, so they're kind of round, just like that. And then we can connect that bit there, just like that. And then I'm going to draw the inner bit of that ear, just like that, and then we're going to do exactly the same on the other side over here. So it's going to come up and over and then round just like that, and then we can draw the other ear too, and then the inside bit of the ear. Okay, next we're going to continue the line here. Here's the face. It's going to come down a bit, and then it's going to come out again just like that, and then we're going to start curling it towards the middle, but we're going to stop before we get right to the middle because of his mouth's going to go here. And then we want to do exactly the same on the other side, so we want to make sure that it comes in about the same point and then out again, okay? So going to bring it to about the same point as the other side. It's going to curl in just like that, and then it's going to curl around just like that. And then we're going to stop short with the middle again. And now I think I'm going to start with his eyes. So they're kind of in the centre of his face here and here. So they're going to be big and round, but they're going to connect to his mouth. So it's going to curl around just like this, and then stop there. And then we're going to do exactly the same on the other side. So it's going to start up here, and it's going to curl round, and then stop there. And now we're going to draw his nose in the middle, just like that. And then we're going to draw his mouth curling round like this, and then in, and then it's going to go up into his nose, and then we're going to do the same on the other side, just like that, and then we can connect his eye, just like that. And then I'm going to draw his pupils, so it's going to be like this, and then the same on the other side. And then I'm going to do another inner circle, just there and there. Now I'm going to draw the rest of his mouth. So we're going to come underneath here, and it's going to curl around, just hitting the bottom of where the bottom of his face is, and it's going to curl back up and to the other side there. And then we're going to do another one, just following it just on the inside, just like that.
My one is a bit chubby.
That's lovely. You're super cute, actually. You look like a very happy, cute bear.
My one just looks like DL.
Very cute bear. Right, and now we're going to draw his eyebrows. So I'm going to do it just above his eyes.
Why don't you do eyelashes instead of eyebrows?
Good idea. And then we're going to do exactly the same. So it's going to come up and then curve around and then go back down, just like that. There you go. I'm going to do his bow tie now. So it's going to come just like this, where it's going to come in a bit and then out again. And then it's going to curve into the middle. And then we're going to draw a big circle for the middle of the bow. And then we're going to do exactly the same on the other side. It's going to come out and then in and out again, just like that for the bow tie. And then I want to draw his sleeves. So it's going to go like this for one arm, and then we're going to do the other one. And it's going to come in just like that. And then I'm going to draw his arm coming out. And then we're going to draw his hand. Just like that. Nice and simple and easy. And then we're going to do the same on the other side.
I don't think I can really fit the fingers in that well. That look just like a dog.
Looks really good. Well done.
Well, it looks like a dog.
It's really cute. You've done a great job. Okay, now I'm going to draw his tummy, so it's going to come out, down, around like this. And then we're going to draw his feet to finish off. Yeah, so I think before I draw his feet, I'm just going to draw his bum like that, curving round. And then we're going to draw his feet. So they're going to come around like this. It'd be big circles. And then we're going to draw in a bit for his toes. And then we're going to do it again. Just like that. You're going faster than I am. There you go. And then we're going to curl in to do his toes. And then bring it round just like that. And next we're going to do a couple of... Oh, you've already done it. I'm just going to put a couple of points here for his nose and mouth. Just going to quickly colour in his nose and his eyes. Which I think you've already done actually, haven't you?
Yeah.
You're well ahead of me.
Does that look okay?
It looks lovely. You've done a great job. There you go. And now we can finish colouring him in.
Right guys, so this is how they turned out. My one just looks like a dog with it. My one looks like Freddy's
really cute
body, and then my other one looks like a dog, and then my dad looks like real Freddy.
Leave a comment down below to tell us what you thought of the video. See you next time.